Sun rays on concave mirror experiment. Hold a concave mirror such that sunlight falls directly on it. Take a small piece of paper and slowly move it in front of the mirror. Find the point where you get the smallest and brightest spot. This bright spot is the image of the sun. Ensure your paper is small, so that it does not block the incoming sun rays. The rays coming from the sun, which are parallel to the principal axis of the concave mirror, converge at a single point. This point is called the focus, or focal point, denoted by capital F. Measure the distance between this spot and the pole of the mirror. This distance is known as the focal length, represented by small f. The radius of curvature of the mirror is twice this distance, expressed as r equals 2 times the small f. Now, if you hold the paper at a distance shorter than the focal length from the mirror, and slowly move it away, you will notice that the image of the sun keeps becoming smaller. Beyond the focal point, the image starts becoming enlarged, but still remains smaller than the actual object, the sun, until it reaches the center of curvature, point C. How to draw a ray diagram of a concave mirror. Draw a curve that represents a concave mirror. Mark the center of curvature and label it as C. Draw the principal axis, a straight horizontal line passing through point C and meeting the mirror at its pole, labeled P. Let the first incident ray, I1, be drawn parallel to the principal axis. From point C, draw a normal, labeled N1, through the point where I1 strikes the mirror. Measure the angle between the incident ray I1 and the normal N1. Draw the reflected ray, R1, making the same angle with the normal but on the opposite side. Now, draw another incident ray, I2, also parallel to the principal axis. Draw the normal N2 from point C through the point where I2 strikes the mirror. Measure the angle between I2 and N2. Draw the reflected ray, R2, making the same angle with the normal. Repeat this process for incident ray I3 and draw its reflected ray R3. And for incident ray I4, draw its reflected ray R4. You will observe that all the reflected rays, R1, R2, R3, and R4, converge at a single point on the principal axis. This point is called the focus or focal point, denoted by capital F.